Ọlọ́run bàbá Mohbad funny ṣá. Excuse me, sir. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ kí lẹ mean by your birthday is on the 19th of this month. You'll be 59 years. Bàbá Mohbad, ọ̀nà. Scammer nìyẹn. Scammer nìyẹn. What has your birthday got to do with anything that is happening on social media? What has your God? This man is so funny. Ṣé justice náà ló ti rán wa létí pé your birthday is on the 19th of this month. You will be 59 years old. How is that going to help anything? How is that going to help justice for Mohbad? O ti ń tọrọ donation fún birthday. Nú gbogbo nǹkan tó o dá sílẹ̀ donation ló ṣe. Donation ló ṣì ń ṣe kíni? Ló ṣì ń wú ẹ̀. Oríṣiríṣi. Ọlọ́run mi ìmọ̀ nǹkan tí mo lè sọ. This man has monetized the pie of his son, reduced that boy to nothing. Ó kàn fi sí ẹranko gan tó bá kú, tẹ́já bá kú, ẹsẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ náà máa flush ẹ̀. Tí ẹranko bá kú, ẹsẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ náà máa gbé sí. Bàbá Mohbad fi òkú ọmọ ẹ̀ lẹ́sìn mọ́ṣúárì. Ó ń sọ fáwọn pé birthday òun di on the 19th of this month. Pé ká wá dáwó nìyẹn o. Ká wá fún òun ní gift ní gbogbo nǹkan tó wà nílẹ̀. Ní gbogbo nǹkan tó wà nílẹ̀ táwọn èèyàn wá justice for Mohbad. Kán wá dáwó fún yín, kán wá fẹ́yìn gift. Nǹkan ẹyọ kan tẹ́yìn lè sọ nìyẹn. Like if you look at it very well, this is why I keep telling you people pé man yóò wá justice fọmọ ẹ̀. Tẹ́ máa sọ pé wọ́n wá justice o, tí Wùmí ni wá. No. There are so many things that is wrong. I don't understand how you people are not seeing it that is wrong. Mo ti explain fún yín pé nípa nǹkan tó pa Mohbad. They just created different narratives so that they can collect your money. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, you were the products. They created different narratives so that they can collect your money. Mohbad, tí ẹ̀rí lè tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lẹ́jọ́ mẹ́ta yìí. Tó sọ pé Wùmí ṣe interview tí Wùmí ṣe. Wípé sọ pé Mohbad kú 20 minutes sínú hospital. Wípé fídíò tí Queen Mother ṣe. Wípé sọ pé Mohbad pie inside the house. Sherry, the way they used to manipulate on this social media, it needs to be studied. There are two different things being said by two different people, but they will come and manipulate it. Wọ́n máa yọ torí bí, wọ́n máa yọ dín bí báyìí. Ó dàbí ẹni pé tẹ́ bá gé orí 1,000, kẹ́ wá yọ ìdí 500, kẹ́ wá lẹ méjèèjì papọ̀. In the interview that Queen Mother was doing that day, she was talking about the CCTV camera. In the interview that Wunmi was doing, nothing overlaps. Your time zone, their time zone, nothing overlaps. There were people talking about this. There is CCTV camera in the house. Why can't they see the CCTV camera? And Queen Mother was explaining pé CCTV camera tó wà nílé kì í ṣe inú bedroom, kì í ṣe inú sitting room. Ó ní ìta ní camera wà. Wípé but nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú ilé. Inú ilé ni Mohbad ti sick, inú ilé náà ti gba abẹ́rẹ́ fún, inú ilé náà ti gbé jáde dìgbàdìgbà. Wípé nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú ilé, maybe it's her choice of words. Wípé Mohbad died in the house. She doesn't mean it like that literally. She mean that nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú ilé, báwo ni CCTV tó wà níta, báwo ló ṣe máa jí wọnú ilé kó wá fi nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú ilé wọ̀nyí. Gbogbo èèyàn pariwo ń gbà yẹn, ti CCTV camera in the house. The government did not want to show us. She was now explaining that the camera is outside the house. Whatever happened in the house, nobody knows. The TV camera cannot see. In fact, biometrics gone. She was even defending you. Mohbad fight in the house. It doesn't fight outside the house. So everything that still happened is within the house. And the people in the house, they come to see. That is what she's still saying. But you people, You are so full of kẹ́ máa yọ ọ̀rọ̀, ṣe mọ̀ kẹ́ máa yọ ọ̀rọ̀ láàrin, kẹ́ máa yọ ọ̀rọ̀ láàrin. Wunmi was talking about what pied her husband. Queen Mother was talking about another thing, a different things. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ mọ̀ méjèèjì ẹ̀jẹ̀ jọ mọ́ra. Ẹ sọ pé àwọn méjèèjì mọ kú tó pa Mohbad. Kéèyàn tó kú, ẹ jẹ́ explain interview Wunmi yẹn fún yín. Fún advantage ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ understand. There is no overlapping. There is no one contradict ara wọn. They are talking about two different things. Let me tell you something. Wunmi said, my husband died 20 minutes after getting to the hospital. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá mi béèrè kinní kan. Tí Mohbad bá ti kú, ṣé wọ́n máa rush ẹ lọ hospital? That is it. Èèyàn tó bá ti, bí èèyàn ti wà ní gẹ́gẹ́ kó kú, àbí nǹkan ti yíwọ́, náà máa ń rush èèyàn lọ hospital. Ṣé ẹ rántí confession Nurse Ògèdèngbé? Ó nígbà tó ń fún lábẹ́rẹ́, gbogbo èèyàn tó wà ní yàrá yẹn ló ń sọ. Nígbà tó ń fún lábẹ́rẹ́ bí ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì àbí ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kẹta, ní Mohbad bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń gbọ̀n gbogbogbò tí gbogbo ara ẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń gbọ̀n, kò dẹ̀ sí EpiPen. Ìgbà yẹn ló bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń rọ dìgbàdìgbà lọ hospital torí pé ó ti yíwọ́. There is no overlapping. Ẹ̀yin lẹ́kàn create nǹkan tí ò sí bẹ́ẹ̀. Tó bá jẹ́ pé ó ti kú, ó ti yíwọ́, àwọn owó ló máa ń rush lọ hospital dìgbàdìgbà. Èèyàn tó jẹ́ pé kò yí ẹ bóyá kó má lọ kú sínú ilé, kó má lọ kú o, nǹkan ti ṣẹlẹ̀ o, Ọlọ́run gbà wá o. Wọ́n rush ẹ dìgbàdìgbà ìgbà tó ti gún lábẹ́rẹ́, Nurse Ògèdèngbé ti gún lábẹ́rẹ́ ẹ kú. Wọ́n rush Mohbad dìgbàdìgbà lọ hospital bí àwọn lè save ẹ. To them kò tí kú. To Wunmi, even gan tí Mohbad bá ti kú gan, báwo ni Wunmi gan ṣe fẹ́ mọ̀? Àwọn lè rò pé ó faint, àwọn lè rò pé ó wà unconscious. Wọ́n dẹ̀, okay, ọmọ tó bá faint ṣe bá máa rush ẹ lọ hospital. Ṣé ẹsẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ lèyàn máa determine pé ọmọ yẹn ti kú ni? Wọ́n máa fẹ́ pa Mohbad lóòótọ́, ṣé wọ́n máa rush ẹ lọ hospital? Most of the time tó máa rush èèyàn lọ hospital gan, even gan tó jẹ́ ní ambulance ló wà, ẹni yẹn gan ti lè kú sínú ambulance kó tó di gbé hospital. Ẹ wo Princess Diana. Accident yẹn gan kọ́ ló pa, inú ambulance ló kú sí kó tó di gbé hospital. Ọmọ tó bá dákú, wọ́n máa rush ẹ lọ hospital. O ní sọ pé ó ti kú tán, ó ti rí pé ó ti kú. O ò lè mọ̀ gan, kéèyàn gan ti kú gan. The first instinct inú orí ẹ̀ tó bá ti lè rí yàn tó wà unconscious àbí tí kò mí dáadáa, wà á dìgbàdìgbà ẹ gbà mí o, ẹ gbà mí o. Wọ́n máa rush ẹ lọ hospital. Wunmi kọ́ ló máa sọ pé ọkọ òun ti kò lè believe gan pé Mohbad máa kú. Ó rò pé bí ó ń react sí injection ni pé tó bá dẹ̀ hospital àlọ́ ẹ̀ máa yá. There is nothing overlapping. They are just manipulating you people. There is nothing, your time zone, their time zone, what they say, what you hear, there is nothing. Sherry, the people doing manipulation, they are the people fighting for justice for Mohbad because if they're not in jail. Just like Baba Mohbad. What has Baba Mohbad? Ṣé àti ẹ̀ mọ̀ birthday Wunmi gan ni? Wunmi tó jẹ́ ìyàwó Mohbad. Ṣé ẹ tiẹ̀ lè crown birthday Liam gan ni? Ṣebí etí àbọ̀ online láti máa rí pé àìní ní birthday Liam. Baba Mohbad jáde. Ó kọ́kọ́ ṣe announcement. Ó ní kéré o, on the 19th of this month ní birthday wọn, èèyàn tó máa kú nìyẹn tó ń grieve. Tó ní kó bá wọn wá justice, kó wá compel Wunmi. When Mohbad reacted to the injection, they saw him was shivering, they rushed him to the hospital. Ó ti lè wá kú kó tó di hospital, but in their head, they will never think, oh, wọ́n tó rush èèyàn lọ hospital, ṣé o máa mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ẹ ti kú, o lè rò pé ó faint, pé tó bá tètè gbé débẹ̀, wọ́n máa ṣe kí ni, wọ́n máa revive ẹ̀, wọ́n máa resuscitate ẹ̀. So as àtìgbà tí Wunmi ń lọ, kò lè ro akàn ro pé àórí àti sí nǹkan ni o, ẹ jẹ́ àgbé lọ gbàgbàgbàgbà ṣe wọ́n sọ pé wọ́n tún gbé kúrò ní mọ́tò gbà tí ó dọ̀pọ̀ wá, wọ́n tún gbé sórí ọ̀kadà kán lè tètè débẹ̀. In their head, Mohbad òkú, ó ń rí àti sí nǹkan kan ni, wọ́n rush ó dàbí ọmọ tó dákú, ẹ tẹ́ rush lọ hospital, ṣé inú orí yín ẹ ti máa sọ pé ọmọ yìí ti kú ni? No. And when Queen Mother was talking about another incident that has to do with CCTV camera, please do not let these people confuse you. The truth is the truth. It cannot be manipulated. It cannot. Even Queen Mother cannot manipulate it. they are just giving it to you torí pé bó bá ṣe gbé fún yín lẹ ṣe máa gbé jẹ ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ béèrè lọ́wọ́ wọn láti jọ́ tó ti ń ṣe justice for Mohbad wípé ó yá one tiny evidence ẹ mú jáde wọ́n dẹ̀ ń gbowó wọ́n ń gba gbogbo ẹ̀ bàbá tó fẹ́ gba birthday gift ẹ̀ sí bàbá tó fẹ́ gba birthday gift ẹ̀ sí ẹ̀yìn èèyàn. Queen Mother was talking about, Wunmi was talking about the process táwọn fi gbé Mohbad dìgbàdìgbà dé hospital. Only we rushed into the hospital and he died 20 minutes. Ṣebí nǹkan tó bá sọ fún at that time, but anything they tell her, she cannot even remember because in her mind she will be, ẹ ṣábà mi jí, ẹ bóyá ó máa jí, tó bá rí mi bóyá ó máa jí. As at the time tó bá announce fún pé Mohbad ti kú, kò lè wà in her right sense. To them, táwọn bá gbé lọ hospital everything will be fine. Ṣé yóò máa mọ̀ pé yóò fẹ́ kú ni? Kò sẹ́nibọ̀dì tó máa mọ̀ pé yàn lè kú bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Mo ti ríyàn kan rí tó jẹ́ pé ó ní kọ́ọ̀tù kékeré kan mi tẹ mọ̀ ní ara. Wọ́n dẹ̀ gbé lọ sọ́sítù. Mo ti ríyàn tó rí orí lásán sọ pé ó fọ́ ọ̀hún tó dẹ̀ gbé lọ sọ́sítù. Gbàtà máa gbọ́ ó ti kú. Èèyàn tó bá máa kú tó bá máa súnmọ́ ẹ ó lè mọ̀ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ṣe máa kú. Wàá rò pé àtàbádé hospital everything will be fine. Then to Queen Mother's beginning, because people were saying there is camera, they were hiding the camera, and she came out to tell everybody that there was no camera in the house, inside the house. There was camera in the vicinity of the house. Whatever happened, the places where the nurse was giving him injection, that he was reacting to injection, there was no camera there. It was just witnesses. Or they later say they cannot pay everybody off. In your middle of us, there were people in the house. So she won't be more bad the Gbogbo window ni. She be away in your one only. There were like 4 of them upstairs. There were like a lot of guys downstairs. She won't be the Gbogbo window ni. Tipo wa ni anybody to marry. Nígbà tó ń gbé bọ̀ látòkè wá sísàlẹ̀ jáde. There is a lot of things here that people are just manipulating for you. Queen Mother was saying, whatever happened in the house, nobody can see it. You people were saying, there's CCTV camera. Show one no bedroom one. Kò sí ńbẹ̀ pé ìta ni camera wà. Ọmọkùnrin inú ilé ló kú sí. Kò sí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe fẹ́ rí nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú ilé. It's not manipulative. It's just a choice of word. But whatever happened to Mohbad inside the house, and there was no CCTV inside the house, but there was CCTV camera outside the house. But when you turn it all around and you say Iyabo has already confessed to you people that Mohbad died inside the house, and Wunmi said Mohbad died 20 minutes to the hospital, you don't know what is true. You ever mind your line? Go and bring the full interview of Queen Mother. You will understand the context of what she was saying. Look at this man. Baba Mohbad. Only on the 19th of this month, I will be 57 years old. I will only mark my birthday this year. Sherry, I will only mark my birthday this year. I will be celebrating my 60th birthday next year in a bigger way. Look at the person wey put Mohbad for mortuary. Òun ló sọ pé òun fẹ́ ṣe elaborating party fún ọjọ́ ìbí ẹ̀. Ọmọ yẹn lè ṣe wà mortuary kò tí ì sìn. Look at what he's thinking about. You all will be invited by the special grace of God. Sherry, ẹ̀dẹ̀ wá ń crucify Wunmi. Bàbá tó lọ́mọ ló sọ pé báyìí ló Wunmi kan ò Liam gan tó máa ṣe birthday very very quiet photo shoot. Kó má kàn dàbẹ́ ni pé wọ́n fi birthday jọmọ yẹn yà láti kékeré pé kò ní memory kékeré. Very quiet kìíní studio photo shoot ni. Bàbá Mohbad sọ pé òun fẹ́ ṣe bigger style. Ẹ ti dáwọ́ owó ti pé. Àbí ṣé ẹ̀dẹ̀ ti dáwọ́ owó ẹ̀dẹ̀ ti pé ń sìn. Èèyàn tọ́mọ ẹ kú nìyẹn. This is a grieving father. Nǹkan tó kù lélẹ́yìí o. And you people will be castigating Wunmi. To bá ṣe film, she acting a movie for her to be able to feed her son. Do you guys even think about, since Mohbad fight, what has Liam been eating? You're just screaming DNA, DNA. What has Liam been eating? This is the 3rd year. Kini Liam, who is feeding him? He's going to school. Who is paying? Wumi is selling here. She's acting movie so that she can survive. And this is the man's reaction. I'm going to celebrate my sister's birthday in grand style. And the son, they rotting for mortuary. See where the Ṣọlá Kóyèǹbá máa jáde báyìí. A ní Ìyábọ̀ ló fọmọ yẹn sí mortuary. Bàbá ọmọ ọkọ ló sọ wọn ò fẹ́ lọ ṣe birthday pé kí gbogbo yín wá kẹ́ wá gbẹ́nu sí. Bàbá ọmọ ọkọ nìyẹn tó ní kí gbogbo yín wá kẹ́ wá gbẹ́nu sí pé birthday ló kó òun kú o. Ọmọ tó kú kò sí nǹkan kan tó kàn. Pé birthday ló kó òun kú. And you said this man love his son. Àbí gbogbo ẹ̀yin blogger bàbá Mohbad. The father is seeking justice. He's not seeking, he's seeking his pocket. Justice for Baba Mohbad's small pocket. Sorry, no sick. Well, ẹ̀yin lẹ ń dáwọ́ ẹ máa dáwọ́ kú ṣá.